How to set up direct deposit in ADP. So the first step is to simply click Get Paid Faster and then click Add an account. If you already have a direct deposit set up, click Update Direct Deposit. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply enter your bank's 9-digit routing number twice to confirm and click Next. Then you're gonna have to enter your bank account number twice to confirm it and click Next again. Now you're gonna have to select how much of your pay you want to deposit into this account and click Next. Select the account type, checking your savings, enter an optional name for the account, like a nickname, and then simply click Next. Make sure the account details are all correct and indicate that you double checked. If the account information is wrong, you'll not be paid. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.